Hey guys, let's make a low-fat, free version of my raw date bread. Let's go. I'm using the Thermomix, but you can use your Vitamix. I did about 4 cups of dates. I use these Medjool organic dates, love them. A little onion powder, why not, for some taste. It's optional though. And sun-dried tomatoes. Next time I will soak them first, but it still turned out great. So I used 2 cups of sun-dried tomatoes. Splash of water, distilled of course. And let's see how it turns out. Oh, and I threw in some celery as well. Chopped that finely. Well, the Thermomix chopped it finely. Anyways, there it is, nice mixture. I just mixed the dates and celery first. Then I threw in the sun-dried tomatoes, the 2 cups. So that turned out quite nicely. Now, on with the show. Look at that. It's a nice thick mixture. I'm using my dehydrator, Excalibur 9 tray dehydrator. And I've got these silicone sheets, so I just molded the mixture into the sheets, and eventually you end up with this nice flat bread to dehydrate. So I dehydrated this for about 8 hours on one side. Then I took it off the silicone, then I removed the silicone sheet and flipped it and dehydrated it for another 8 hours about, but this recipe is very forgiving and I did under 115 for the temperature. And once it's ready, you can remove and chop. So I chop them into nice little squares because I like to make flat bread with them, but you can make a sandwich or even a wrap. Now this is quite sweet and filling and decadent. Next time, I'm going to be experimenting with lots of flatbreads. I think next time I'm going to try it without the celery because I'm not a fan of celery. I'm not going to lie. I cannot drink celery juice. I do not like celery and I do not use it. But here they are, all nice and chopped. And I like to add my tomato paste. This is just tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes with some bell pepper and smoked paprika. It's so good to have the tomato paste. Little cucumber on there. I love cucumber. Of course, the tomato. I like to have sliced tomato on there. And I add lettuce for a nice, delicious, satisfying flatbread meal that I eat with a salad. So I had this for about 2 or 3 nights in a row. Same meal, loved it, so good. Stay tuned for more recipes. I will make other flatbread recipes. I'm going to be experimenting, and I think I'm going to do an ice cream sandwich next as well. So these were so delicious though. I mean, eating healthy is easy when you know what to make and how to make it. So hang in there if you're just developing new healthier habits, and our support group helps with this. So I will leave links in the description for our support group if you'd like to join, and we'd love to